Green Ray Rooftop Solar, Chennai, India is comparing 3 service tiers: Y Series, Z Series, and Z Plus Series. Cost structure. Y Series. Base cost, Y cost. Z Series. Y plus 7,000 rupees. Includes SS keychain. SLD, system line diagram. 4 meters nylon cleaning brush. 1 year free remote monitoring support. EV miscellaneous expenditure. Higher tier solar panel. Z Plus Series. Z cost and in addition 5,700 rupees total, 12,700 rupees. Adds. DC-AC load breaker for safety. 25 years generation report. Service comparison table. Feature in all 3 series: system supply, installation, civil work, subsidy process, loan support warranty, IT support, documents, DCDB, ACDB, Chennai transport, lifting labor, system login, keychain round SS316, features in Z series, SS keychain. SLD, system line diagram. 4 meters nylon cleaning brush. 1 year free remote monitoring support. EV miscellaneous expenditure. Higher tier solar panel. Features in Z plus all features in Y and Z series and DC load breaker and AC load breaker for safety purpose and 25 years generation projection. Summary. Y series. Basic offering, most essential services. Z series. Adds monitoring, cleaning brush, better documentation, and a higher panel tier. Z plus series. Full suite including safety equipment, AC/DC breakers, and a long-term generation report. For further details PLS call us on 9363940066 or 9840737474 or mail to us at sales2@greenraytechnologies.in or sales1@greenraytechnologies.in.